and welcome to this tutorial on how to enable web content filtering on macOS devices with Scalefusion UEM. To enable web content filtering on Mac devices, navigate to Device Profiles and Policies and go to Allowed Websites. Click on Allow a Website, add the name and the link of the website you want to allow, and go to Apple Settings. Here, you can configure additional settings like display in full screen, all JavaScripts, clear cache, and more. Click on Next, and then click on Save. Now, click on Publish. Select the device profiles where you want to enable this website, and click on Submit. Now, go to Device Profiles and select the device profile. Then, click on Edit. Click on Content Filtering, and here, you can disable the use of Siri and dictation, hide profanity from the dictionary and dictation, and configure the allowed websites. Select Access to Allowed Websites Only, and then click on Save. The user will be unable to access any website apart from the ones allowed. That's all for web content filtering for macOS devices on Scalefusion. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to Scalefusion's YouTube channel for more such videos.